You don't have to be extra like me, but I'm bringing a bunch of potato starch for the plants, bird seeds for the animals and the bugs, my house keys, pen, journal, a blanket, because I like sitting in the grass, but I get paranoid that the bugs are gonna get in my toes, and it freaks me out. I'm gonna be wearing socks, and I'm gonna sit on a blanket. Also, the blanket's for in case I wanna lay down, because I get scared that the buggies are gonna crawl in my ears. I apologize for that weird sound. I don't know what that is. But game plan is to go outside, offer my offerings, and then I'm also bringing water. I'll have to fill this up. So my phone on my tripod, seeds, peanuts, potato peanuts, my pen, my journal, I don't plan on being out there long because I'm doing laundry right now, so I'm not gonna bring like a snack. Oh, I just heard thunder. Is it about to rain? Maybe I'm not about to go meditate outside. Maybe I'm just gonna go release the peanuts and run away. I just heard some like thunder sounds, but I don't know if that was my imagination. Okay. We're gonna go play outside. Did I tell you the game plan was to meditate? I don't know if I said that. Let's go. Not easy being a princess. It's what the blanket says. I was holding it upside down. First impressions, it does smell like rain. Oh Jesus, it just started raining this very second. I was gonna say first impressions, it does smell like rain, and I do hear thunder, so maybe we are just gonna release the peanuts, but I literally feel raindrops on me, which means there are raindrops on my camera, which means I'm not meditating on my blanket today. I mean, if I had an umbrella, I guess I could meditate in the rain. But I don't have an umbrella. I didn't bring one. Let's just spread the peanuts and go back inside. My phone. My blanket. My blanket. Oh, it's soaking wet. We have to go inside. Okay, I just got back inside. I haven't looked at the footage yet, so I don't know if you could hear anything I said. My blanket's soaked. Good thing I'm doing laundry anyway. The point of this video was I've been feeling a bit of pressure, self-imposed, because I didn't post on YouTube for a month. Thanks. I didn't post for a month because I was depressed. And so instead of posting all of the videos I had been wanting to post in the order I wanted to post them, I was gonna post this first. And we were gonna offer stuff to spirits, and then we were gonna meditate. We were gonna sit outside. I was gonna sit with my journal in case anything came to my mind that I wanted to write or draw. And then we were gonna come back here and I was gonna tell you what I'm telling you right now. And I was gonna say, now the preceding videos will be all the videos you missed from the end of March and all of April. Because I've been filming for YouTube. I just haven't been editing and posting. It's just sitting in my iMovie app, half edited, or not edited at all. Or it's been sitting in my camera roll. But, so this video was supposed to say like, hey, those videos are gonna come, you're not gonna miss out on them. But this video is coming first to explain. But it doesn't work out. It's torrentially raining. I'm soaked in water. I love the rain, but devices don't love the rain. So I guess I'm gonna post this and edit this, and then I'll work on editing the videos you've been missed out on, and I'll post them soon. And then we'll get back on track and you'll be seeing videos that are modern. I have a couple of haul videos, a tarot video, an explanation video, a few other things that I've been wanting to post. So that will come. Offer things to the forest spirits and the animals. Bye.